Hello friends. Now we are studying about polynomial and in the last class continue classes. Now here are any question on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by polynomial gx. This is your given polynomial px and this should be divided by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Find gx. The quotient is x minus 2 written over here, qx equal to x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Now we are going to solve it. First of all write it px, quotient qx, remainder rx like this. Now what is the division algorithm? Division algorithm of polynomial is of polynomials px equal to gx into qx plus rx. Px equal to gx into qx plus rx. Now put the values of all the polynomial. Px means x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Gx is unknown, we have to find it. And qx is x minus 2. Qx is quotient, quotient is x minus 2. Plus remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Now you can, first of all, we should transfer this in the left hand side. To solve it, first of all, we will transfer this in right hand side, left hand side. So you can write here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Here it is minus 2x. Here are plus, so there will be no change in the bracket. सामने प्लस है, ब्रैकेट में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगी. So we can only transfer minus 2x here. This will give you plus 2x. And when we transfer 4, this is plus here. So here at the right hand side it becomes minus 4. Right? Now what is the key over here? Gx into x minus 2. These two terms are transferred. Now simplify this. Add and subtract like term in this polynomial. This side x cube. There is no any square, so it is as it is. X plus 2x gets 3x. X plus 2x, both are like term. Plus x plus 2x means 3x. Plus 4, minus 4 plus 2 gets minus 2. 4 is more and minus is more, so it is remain minus 2. And write it as it is gx into x minus 2. This also take minus x2 by cross multiplication at the denominator of this. Minus x minus 2 written in the denominator by cross multiplication. It is x minus 2 equal to gx. What we observe here? We observe here that when we divide this by x minus 2, we can get gx. Right? Now divide it. So we will try to divide here. X cube minus 3x square. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Right? This divided by x minus 2. This will give you see. Here are x and here are x cube. You have to first of all remove this x minus x cube. So what should we multiply in this to get x cube? यहाँ पे एक x है, यहाँ पे x 3 है. So we can multiply here by x square. So x square into x gets x cube. Now x square into minus 2 gets minus 2x square. X square into minus 2 gets minus 2x square. Now change the sign. This will be cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 2x square gets minus x square. In the simple word we can say that 3 तो आपका माइनस है, 2 तो प्लस है, तो घट के बचा आपका 1 तो और क्या बचेगा माइनस, बिकॉज माइनस ज्यादा है. नाउ कैरी इट 3x minus 2. Now simplify this and cancel out this. How you can cancel it? Here are no minus, so you can take minus here. And here are x and here is x square, so you can take a x. X into x give you x square. So minus x into x is minus x square. Minus multiply this minus gets a plus, and x into 2 gets 2x. Minus x into x gets minus x square. Minus into minus plus 2 into x gets 2x. Now change the sign. This will cancel out. 3x plus and 2x minus gets x, and carry here minus 2. Now we can see that x minus 2 and it is also x minus 2. But, degree of the remainder and degree of divisor is same. So we can take here nothing but 1. 1 into x means x. 1 into minus 2 means minus 2. Remainder becomes 0. So quotient is x square minus x plus 1. So this will be x square minus x plus 1, it is gx. In this way we find that the polynomial gx is x square minus x plus 1. We can write here answer. Polynomial gx is x square minus x plus 1. Now let us work on this according to this question. Let's try homework. This is homework. And dividing minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus minus 3x plus 5 plus 5 by a polynomial gx. The quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is 3. Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is 3. And dividing x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and 3. Find gx, right? Or x minus 2 and 3, find gx. Okay. Now simplify this, try at home. Now let us take another question. Obtain all the zero. Question number 2. Obtain all other zeros power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square 3x power 4 6 square minus 2 minus 2. If two of its zeros are two of its zeros are 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. In this, according to this, first of all find out sum of zeros is equal to root 5 by 3 plus of minus root 5 by 3. This will give you 0. Then product of zeros. Root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3 plus minus gives minus root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3 gives 5 by 3. This is the sum of 0 and product of 0. Now make a polynomial or quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. As we know this formula, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Product of zeros. Using this formula, we can get here x square minus sum of zeros means 0. Here, sum of zeros. Product of zeros plus product of zeros means minus 5 by 3. So this becomes x square minus 0 into x 0 plus and this becomes minus 5 by 3. So this can be written as x square minus 5 by 3. Right? Always try to write down this minus here in front of denominator. You will not get confused anyway. So now you can simplify it more by taking LCM. We will get LCM 3 and this will be 3x square minus 5. This can be written as in the simple way 1 upon 3 into 3x square minus 5. Right? So we can say other factor is a factor is 1 upon 3 x square minus 5. This is the factor of polynomial. This is the factor of given polynomial. This is your given polynomial ka. This is the factor 1 upon 3 3x square minus 5. Now further to find out the next process, other factor or other two zeros, we have to divide this given polynomial by this. Given polynomial को इस factor से divide करना है. 1 upon 3 is also factor. 3x square minus 5 is also factor. So we will divide it easily by 3x square minus 5. We will do it here. This is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. 3x square. Now divided by the factor 3x square minus 5. Right? So first of all, we have eliminate this. We have to eliminate this. So 3 is here. Here are x power 4. So making it x power 4, you should have to quotient x square. Have to take quotient x square. So x square into x square gets x power 4. So this multiplying this and this will be 3x power 4. and this into this minus x square and x square and minus 5 will be minus 5x square. Now change the sign. This to be cancelled out. Carry this. As we know that we will always carry at the descending order of power or the descending degree of terms. Now 2x square minus 5x square plus will give you 3x square. Plus 5 is better, so it is plus. Now carry this as it is, 10x minus 5. Again we have to make it eliminating this. 3 to the 6, and when you multiply x in this, you will get x cube. So we have to take a quotient 2x. 2 3 ja 6. X into x square is x cube, and 2 5 ja 10, and x into x is x. 2x into minus 5 gives minus 10x. Minus 10x is written under the same like term. So now change the sign. This will cancel out, and this also be cancelled because minus 10 it is plus 10. Right? Now take this here. Carry this 3x square minus 5. Now what we observe here that 3x square minus 5 and it is 3x square minus 5. So always take quotient plus 1. Plus 1 into 3x square is 3x square. Plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Now change the sign. Remainder becomes 0. In this way, we divide this given polynomial by the factor we have find. Now we find that there is a quotient x square plus 2x plus 1. So we can say, so x square plus 2x plus 1 is another factor of given polynomial. So when we again factorize this, we can get other zeros. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. You can use a plus b whole square also. Either you can use a plus b middle term splitting method. Now like this, factors 1 into 1 plus 1 gets 2. So this can be written as x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. This is, we can say here 1 plus 1 gets 2. So 2x can be written as 2 term x plus x. Now taking here x common, taking common in 2's, we'll get x and x plus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Now again you factorize it, x plus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Right? It means that as we had in last classes, one of these two factors will always be 0. So either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x will be minus 1 or x will be minus 1. So we can say minus 1 and minus 1 are the other two factors. So other factor is, we can write here answer, other factors are minus 1 and minus 1. In this way, this question have two factors are two other zeros are not factor, other zeros are minus 1 and minus 2. So in this question, this polynomial contains degree 4. This is the polynomial of degree 4, so it should have 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given, and at last we find 2 more zeros, right? So it is completed 4 zeros. Now take homework and try this homework. Find zeros of 2x power 4, 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. When two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, right? Now this is the homework number 2. That was question number 2, as it was homework number 2, right? Now one more question. Question number 3. If zeros of polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 or a minus b, a plus b. Find a and b. A and b. If zeros of polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, then find a and b. This is cubic polynomial. As you know that it is a cubic polynomial, or degree of the polynomial is 3. So we have to use formula for cubic polynomial. So for using cubic polynomial, as we know that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a, right? Minus b upon a, or in other word we can say minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube, right? So this can be written as minus b upon a. We are using here capital A and capital B because small a and small b already used in question. Small a, small b is already used in question. So in the next we will try this symbol only. Here are 3 zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b. Zero of the polynomial, these are a minus b, a and a plus b. So now first thing is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means a minus b plus b plus a plus b. These are the sum of the given zeros. Now the coefficient according to this polynomial. Minus is from the formula. Minus coefficient of x square is minus 3 here. Minus 3 upon coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube means a. A means 1. This is, you can write here, minus minus plus 3, and diameter 1 has no value. So minus b cancelled out, minus b because all these are plus, right? So this can be written as this will be A, right? Here was A minus B, second zeros is A, third zeros is A plus B. So minus B cancelled by minus B, and you can see here A plus A means 3. If you have any confusion here, you can do it by opening the bracket. Now first of all, open this bracket. Right? You can do it directly also because all these are plus. So now you can do like this also. Minus B plus B cancelled out. A means 3A equal to 3. 3 cancelled by 3. You can get A equal to 1. Sum of the zeros gives you A equal to 1. Now other thing is product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Constant term is d upon, so you can write here capital D upon A. D for constant term, capital D upon A. As we have tell you also that we are using here capital A and capital B because small a, b are using in them as a zeros. So using this, we will find that A minus B and second is A, third zeros is A plus B gives you D upon A. D is here A, B, C, D. Constant term D is 1 upon coefficient of x cube, that is also 1. So in this way we can put here value of A. So this way 1 minus B and 1 plus B. This will give you 1. 1 minus B and 1 plus B gets 1 minus B square. No meaning आप multiply 1 से किसी भी multiply करते हैं same number आता है. This will give you 1. Now taking this here, 1 minus B square is equal to 1. Now transferring here and there, minus B square is equal to minus 1. Minus B square is equal to 1 minus 1. So minus B square is equal to 0. And you can say B square is equal to 0, B equal to 0. 1 minute. See here. In this here correction, product of zeros is minus coefficient of minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. So we use here minus. This will be minus 1 upon 1. Product of zeros once again minus was removing here. Minus यहाँ पे छूट गया था by mistake. Product of zeros is minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube equal to minus d upon a. So minus d means 1, d means 1 and minus by formula. So this is minus 1, this is minus 1. So here we can write here 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. So minus b square is equal to minus 1 and 1 transfer here gets minus 1. Minus b square is equal to minus 2. Minus and minus cancelled out. B square is equal to 2. B equal to plus minus root 2. Right? B equal to plus minus root 2. In this way, answer is A equal to 1 and B equal to plus minus root 2. Either plus root 2 you can say, either minus root 2. So once again, a cubic polynomial given and 3 of its zeros are given. So first of all we will try to find the sum of the zeros. Minus b upon a, sum of zeros means when we add these three zeros, b cancelled by b, we get 3a equal to minus b upon a, that is 3. Now a equal to l. Product of zeros is minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube, that is minus d upon a. So product is a minus b, a plus b equal to minus 1 upon 1, because value of d is 1 or value of coefficient of x cube, a is 1. So now putting the value of a here a is 1, 1 minus b, 1 plus b, multiplying 1 has no value, so this will be 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. Now by transferring, you can simplify it, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. Okay, now repeat this. In this way, this polynomial is completed. Tomorrow we will start next chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable. Complete your homework. Thank you. Please.